Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Vaishnavi and you're watching Wonders of Creations. And today in this video I will be sharing with you guys one of my most favorite and most sold out art piece, which is string art name board. And this art piece is one of the most trendy and most sold out piece of our store. If you haven't visited our store yet, do check out. I will link it down for you in the description box. And for this project I will be using some plywood. Usually we get plywood from a hardware store and then we customize it from a carpenter according to size we required. And then I painted it with some Asian paint, which is actually a oil based paint. So allow it to dry for at least 6 to 8 hours, and in case if you are using any kind of spray paint or acrylic color, then just leave it about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, I printed out the name that my client wanted. Next, I printed out an amazing chart that I wanted from Google according to the size I needed. Next, trim the paper according to the size you need and then tape them on the dry wood as shown in the video. So next, start hammering the nails onto the wood. Here, I created a stroke around the letters. So taking that yellow stroke as a reference, I evenly distribute the nails along the line for each letter. And also make sure when you hammer the nail in, you only want to hammer them about halfway as shown in the video. So now start evenly distributing the nails along the line of each letter. And make sure for this project you need lots of care and patience, because playing with nails and hammers is not a game. And this project is not at all that easy what you see in the video. It takes me about 3 to 4 days to complete the whole project. So if you're trying this project, then take your own time and handle the work with care, because I don't want you to get hurt. And if any kids are watching this, darling, this video is not for you. I will catch you in my next DIY video. So stay tuned for my next DIY video. So this is how it looks once you're done. So now do repeat the same process to this amazing jar. And once you're done hammering all these nails, it looks something like this. And then start wrapping the string around the nails. So now start tying one end of your string to one end of your letter and start wrapping it around the letters as shown in the video. And the process is pretty simple. Start wrapping the string along the outline of the letter, and then also make sure to loop the string around each time as shown in the video. Now, once your letter is outlined, start to randomly wrapping the string around the nails all over the letter. All you have to do is just fill it with string. So here there is no any other to do this. Just wrap the string around the nail and then wrap it around another nail across the letter as shown in the video. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to tie the end and secure it well with double knot. So now, do repeat the same process with the rest of the letters. But this time, I will only outline the letter first and then I will start filling the inner section. So once you are finished outlining the letters, just tear off the paper as shown in the video. So now start wrapping the inner section. So it's up to you, you can do it before or after. Next, I will be using some LED lights as per my client customization. So now, start wrapping the string around the nails as shown in the video. Again, as I said before, here there is no any order to do this. And once you're done by wrapping the LED lights, now start wrapping the string all around the nails as shown in the video. And once I'm done, I will add some flowers. And once I'm done, I will start making some detailings using white acrylic color. By the way guys, if you still don't know, then let me tell you, we have a store called Craft My Paper where we deal with all sort of creative and handmade gifts for your loved ones. We can customize any handmade gift under your budget. Basically, it's an online store. You can message us through WhatsApp and you can place your order through WhatsApp. So I will link all the details of our store in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box. So next I'm using this tag sheet which is actually a customized one from my store. So I'm using this instead of a picture. You can hang a picture of yourself or your loved ones, it's totally up to you. And here's a closer look, and do let me know in the comment section what do you guys think. I love reading your comments. And if you love such creative content videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified for my post notifications. Love you all. Bye bye. See you in my next video.